Now, in a highly anticipated move, the U.S. Federal Reserve has hiked interest rates for the third time this year alone. It also raised this year's economic outlook for the United States. Hyo-sun with this report.
The Fed raised interest rates by a quarter point on Wednesday as widely anticipated and indicated it plans to raise rates again in December. The Federal Reserve increased the target range for its benchmark interest rate to 2 to 2.25%, setting the rate at its highest level since April 2008. All 9 members of the Federal Open Market Committee voted in favor of the decision.
Today, the committee raised the target range for the federal funds rate by a quarter percentage point, bringing it to 2 to 2.25%. This action reflects the strength we see in the economy and is one more step in the process that we began almost 3 years ago of gradually returning interest rates to more normal levels.
This is the 8th increase since the Fed began normalizing policy in December 2015 and the 3rd rate hike in 2018. Along with the rate increase, the Fed also expressed a more optimistic outlook for the U.S. economy. It forecasts the economy will grow at a faster than expected 3.1% this year, an upward revision from the 2.8% projection back in June, adding it will continue to expand moderately for at least 3 more years. As the Fed also hinted on raising rates again in December, global market analysts are eyeing the speed of the rate hike. With the latest increase, the rate gap between South Korea and the U.S. widens to 0.75 percentage point, possibly prompting foreign investors to move capital out of South Korea. Hyo-sun, Arirang News.